negative fractional indices. So it's exactly what it says. It's when we have a power that is not only a fraction, it's negative as well. So we know that the negative power means find the reciprocal. So the first thing we're going to do is flip it. We then know that when we look at the fraction, the bottom number is the root. So we're going to do the root, and the top number is the power. So then we do the power. Okay? Then you work out any values. So if you're dealing with numbers, you actually have to work out the powers. Okay, just remember, if you haven't done this in a while, so just remember that an integer can be written over 1. Okay, so if you had 4, it's the same as 4 over 1 and so on. Okay, so let's look at these examples together, see what we make of them. So like before, you circle the negative, that means to find the reciprocal. Okay, so we're going to flip it. 16 would be 16 over 1, so when we flip it, we get 1/16. Lovely. Now, the 2 is the root, the 3 is the power. Let's do the roots first. So, in this case, it's a square root. So, I get square root of 1 is 1, square root of 16 is 4. Okay, now we need to raise it to the power of 3. 1 cubed is 1, 4 cubed is 64. So let's just run through that again. If you have an integer, remember it can be written over 1. The negative means find the reciprocal, so you flip it. The fraction means you find the square root. And the 3 means power of 3, cube the top, cube the bottom. Work out your answers and you're done. Okay, now my next example is a fraction. Now, these might look harder, but they're actually easier because you haven't got to think about what you've got to do with integers. So let's have a look. So the negative means find the reciprocal. So we flip it. Okay, the fraction means square root, power of 3. So root the top, root the bottom. Root 16 over root 9 gives me 4 over 3. My power is 3. 4 cubed over 3 cubed. 4 cubed is 64. 3 cubed is 27. And you are done. Okay, so I've got 2 for you to have a go at. Press pause, have a go, and then we'll go through them. Okay. Negative means find the reciprocal. So that would be 25 over 1. So I need to flip it. 1 over 25. Right, bottom number is the root. So I want the square root of 1 over the square root of 25. So 1 over 5. The top number is the power. So I cube and I cube. 1 cubed is 1. 5 cubed is 1, 2, 5. Lovely. Next one. Negative power means find the reciprocal, so we flip it. 8 over 27. The 3 is the root, so we need to find the cube root of 8 and the cube root of 27. That gives me 2 over 3. The top number here is a power of 2, so I square it, I get 4 over 9. Okay, hopefully got those correct. I've now got 8 questions for you to have a go at. Press pause, have a go, and then we'll go through them. Okay, hopefully you got those correct. So what I need you to do now is complete your exit pass and send it to your class teacher.